Oh, oh! Actually, our first night, our second night in the forest. We went to El Chable camp. Now we're at, oh, where are we? Santa Maria. Something, I'll have to double check that name. But we're at a different camp. And we're near some pretty big trees. We're gonna have some nice big trees to climb. And tomorrow, we've got all our lines set. And we climbed one tree right behind me here. And then we're gonna set up the portaledge here at this tree that's right in the camp and have people climb up into something coming. Some kind of bird. So that's kind of cool too. Every once in a while you just come across animals. Jaguar prints. But yeah, so tomorrow we should be climbing some trees in different areas. And then this one close by the camp, we'll set up the portaledge and let people kind of experience what that's like. I don't know that we'll actually use it, except there's a lot of monkeys that are close by here. So we might be able to interact with some monkeys, but no one's going to sleep in the portaledge this trip because it's rainy season. There's, you know, thunder and lightning that can come through in the night. So we won't be doing the portaledge, but for sleeping in. But we'll get it all set up and we'll leave it up in the tree for, you know, 2 or 3 days. And we're going to set up an elevator system, so we'll get people up and down. But all right, game of trees, we're having fun. All right, well, we're here. We set up this portaledge on the ground. We're going to pull it up into the tree. It's a good sized tree. And get it set up there. I'm here with Jacob and a few others, some students. And we're gonna do it.
Kevin's going up a pukte tree. It is way up there.
I'm gonna hold that other rope out of my way.
We're gonna set up a portaledge. Set it up tonight.
Good.
Up that tree.
Yeah, the mud is.
Oh man, yeah, look at that mud. Ugh.
Yeah, so I'm kind of midway canopy. The mud is so intense here, as it was all over my feet. So I don't get very good traction on the rope until I'm up higher, when the weight of the rope helps. But serious slippery. Very slippery. Maybe I can climb this tree. Everything is slimy. Watch the spider monkeys up here. They just like cruise around. It's incredible. Get a little assistance from the trees. Gosh, this is so slippery. Look at all the cactus on the tree over there and ferns. And over there will be dirt on the branches, and tree roots will grow into that. Wow, 90 degrees plus, just hot. And it's like 3 times as high as what we normally climb in Wisconsin. So this morning, I'll take a break and talk. This morning I presented 3 of the complements of equipment. 2 from our session, 1 from me, to 3 students who are planning on doing a thesis with Jorge Mario as their professor. And so what I told them is that I want these pieces of equipment to be as a scholarship to earn by completing the thesis. So we will sign documents stating that the completion of their thesis will include retaining possession of the equipment. So that will be really neat, and we can kind of do that as a practice moving forward to students that study under Jorge Mario for a thesis. Will have that as a earned reward. Very important. I'm not giving it, I'm offering it as a reward for the completion of the thesis. So we'll add some stimulus to the educational process, and a long-term result will be some of those students maybe students that will carry on this profession here in Guatemala at various degrees. Some may study and become a professor at the university and be the future contact when Jorge Mario retires. Any number of things that could happen. And perhaps when they have this equipment, they'll be able to complete not just a master's thesis, but perhaps a doctorate thesis in the canopy, answering a vital question, as there are so many unanswered questions in the canopy. So that's kind of the vision, and I was able to, it was really special to be a part of that this morning, to see the light in the eyes of those three students on the potential that their thesis has now become. And so, yeah, really, really special to be a part of that. All right, I better keep climbing. All right, I'm up here talking. I should continue to climb. Oh, look at that. Now, as I get higher, it becomes easier to footlock. You know, the up and over the branch. You know, some people state that when you're footlocking the tall rope, it's hard because the rope becomes heavy. But it's that very weight of the rope that allows me to lock a single line. It's harder to lock. Now Jacob's gonna climb up here with his foot ascender and knee ascender. Yeah, look at my boots. They're like so slimy. To footlock that was just crazy. And I tied a better bow and it still came undone. Jacob, your rope. What? Your rope is all in a branch. You wanna? This one? Yeah. It's gotta come around that branch. Can you maybe isolate it so I'm next to Diego? Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. But you gotta bring it out around this branch. I got the weight of my rope on it. I think that's the tie band. Yeah, no, flip my rope around that branch. Grab my rope. You're behind that branch. You gotta, if you pull, I think it's dead, it'll break. Yes. Now whip my cambium saver off of there. Pull both ropes and walk away from the tree. It'll come out. Keep going. One more foot. A big whip. One more. Oh, praise God. Get it? Yeah, it's now you can take my rope and get it loose. That silly cambium saver he sent up.
Every time.
Every time it's your fault.
Every time there's a cambium saver, it's a problem.
Yeah, every time. Good point. You know, people wonder why I gave up on double line technique. It's because every time you're trying to get your cambium saver out of anything, it's stuck. You know, if the beginning of my climb wouldn't have been riddled with mud-covered boots, I wouldn't have expended so much energy. I think I was saying, when you're footlocking a tall rope, when you get closer to, you know, 50, 100 feet, between 50 and 100 feet, you don't have any trouble with the rope slipping through your feet. Down low it can slip, and if you got muddy feet, it's gonna slip like crazy. You know, if we would have been on pavement, you know, I could have muscled through those lower feet, and then you get to the higher rope, and it just locks so nicely with a lot of rope below you. Oh, that water's gonna be so good. There's like an ant. I got one of those in my pants yesterday. That's why I got my socks up on my pants. Those devils bite. Ants in my pants. There we go. Oh, oh! Yeah, you broke it, Jacob. No. Just keep pulling. No, you leveraged it out of the thing. Keep pulling. Hold it. Okay, pull. Pull. Pull it up. Arriba, arriba. All right, that's where it's at, right there. Man. It's hard to get in. This is beautiful up here. So here I am, enjoying myself on the portaledge. The view is good. The view is very good. And they're coming up. Hey guys, I'm just sleeping up here. I'm just waiting for you. I'm fine. You can take your time. You're doing great, Diego.
Thank you, Kevin. What about me?
Straps come over like on top of these straps. Yeah. Step over this one. And step over the net. Oh, pull this down. Stand on it. Pull it. Pull.
Oh, okay.
Pull it down. Okay, now walk out there so you're more even. Oops. Oh, we gotta stay on it. Stay en el centro.
Okay.
So try to get a foot in the middle over there. Yep. And then, yeah. Don't forget to take pictures.
Yeah.
so it's worth all the sweat and everything.
Yes, it's worth all the sweat when you get up here. I'm gonna leave my gloves there. I gotta find a good place to sit. I was gonna go up high, but I gotta stay down low to help out. All right, they're gonna take a while.
Lay down.
Yeah. Diego's taking a nap, waiting for you. Yeah, we'll leave this up here tonight, and the monkeys will come and poop on it. Or you could let her go up and let her get dirt on you.
I don't want that.
Jacob,
What?
if you come around this way, you'll be unwrapped from a rope.
Yeah, like that. Yeah.
Oh, oh! You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Yeah, yeah, you're okay. You slammed her against the
Tree.
against the tree.
Against me, just say it.
Don't worry about me, Maho. I'm okay. To me.
Oh, you're gonna bounce her again.
Oh, fresh air.
Everything around.
You're kind of a bull in a china shop this morning, man. We can get Maho on that other. That's a support line, so she can get on that.
Okay.
Then Diego can get back on the.
All right.
Oh, you say it?
Yes.
Oh.
That would be correct.
Why you do that?
I'm trying. Look,
He's holding you away from the.
Oh.
He's holding you away from the branch.
How about a thank you?
Should I?
Take a couple
Yeah,
more
just
steps,
stand
two more
up.
ste- two more
Yeah,
steps.
2 more steps, and then you'll be right up there.
Wait, I'm tired.
Yeah. High five.
You're up here.
You did it. Look.
Que bueno.
To the top of the jungle.
Wow.
Right?
Look at the view.
Yeah,
It's worth it.
it's worth it.
It's so worth it.
Yeah.
All right. So Jacob and Diego going down. Diego's gonna trade saddles. And we'll have all 3 of our students in the tree. Yay. 3 times the charm.
It doesn't get any shorter.
No.
This thing gets taller every time I come up.
Wow, you did it.
Que bueno. Yeah, you got the method down. Come all the way up onto this branch so you can stand. Hey, Marcus, come all the way up so you're standing on here. Before you lanyard, you lanyard up here. All right. Arriba en pie, and then acollador.
Ahora sí te puedes acollar.
All right, so I'm up here with Jacob and Marcus and Maho.
Hi.
And
Yes.
mission accomplished. We got all 3 students that were in our group up this tree. We're right at the top. It's beautiful. And Marcus had really good form. Came right up. Looking good.
Yeah.
Give me your face, Marcus.
Hi.
All right.
You got any compliments for anyone else?
Yeah, and Jacob
Marcus.
has come up the tree 3 times. 4 times actually, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Didn't
well,
you come
yesterday.
up first? No.
I went up yesterday.
No, you
3
came
times
up
today.
first with Diego. So 3
Yeah.
times today.
Yeah, 3 times
three
today.
times
Once
today.
yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
I
Yeah.
got my compliment.
And I gave you a compliment.
It's never enough. I just love them.
Yeah. Oh. Maho.
Yeah?
I need some help.
Okay.
Wow, it won't. Just the weight of the rope keeps pulling it down. If I can ever get this rope down to you. Hey,
Yeah.
are you doing something with my rope?
No. Haven't done anything since you had me untie the basal anchor.
Why can't I pull this rope?
Tangled in a tree.
Wow.
Okay, but I can reach the tail. Do you want me to pull?
Yes, please.
Okay, I'm up.
He's pulling me. It's messing with me. It's trying to frustrate me. It's okay. It's just me and the rope. We're having a hard time. And then with the lanyard, always go to the opposite side of your body.
Okay.
To the D ring on the other side.
Like this? Or like this? No.
Yeah, like that. Over there, right to that one. Get the lanyard up higher. Can you put your foot?
Wait, let's just that.
What's this? Okay, stand clear. Rope coming down right at the base.
So it's gonna be just one? We're gonna...
Yeah, we're gonna canopy anchor so that we don't have all these ropes on the ground, and it won't be so much pressure on this branch up here, because right now we have a 2-to-1 mechanical advantage on this branch, which has proved to be very durable. But this we can use the same spot but tie over here. Now we're going to cover our tents. Yeah, you know, pull that down straight so the water just runs off of it. Has to be on it. That's why it's getting hard, because your weight's getting, you have to trust it and step off the ledge.
I did, but it's still... Okay.
We have problems on the rope. The rope is dirty or something.
It's not coming.
Let's get you back up on that branch. My feet are on the branches.
Okay.
And when I descend, I can come out like this. I don't bend my knees. I want to be away from the tree. Walk the tree down.
Just that it's too...
Oh. Okay. I can I'll belay your line here so you can't go. Okay, you pull the lever. I've got your rope. There we go. You gotta get below here so you... All right. There you go. Find the sweet spot. You got a little branch right here. Find the sweet spot. All right, you got it. Okay. Pretty soon you'll be out in the air and it'll be easier. All right, you're doing great. A lot of people would have froze up up there. You're doing great. You got it. Nothing but air below you. Does that comfort you?
A little.
Yeah. You don't have to mess with the tree.
Oh, whoa, whoa.
There you go. There you go. You've got a tree, like a cut off stub below you, you're gonna come in contact with.
Oh, I see it. I see it. I see it.
Yeah.
Wait.
Get your feet over there.
Cansado. Okay. I am on the ground.
Finally on the ground. Yeah.
I know.
Beautiful day. It doesn't even feel like it's gonna rain.
Yeah, this whole time.
On the way down. Yeah, there's our tree all set up. Yeah, we got to tear down, so it's raining. We didn't get the nice afternoon like we had yesterday. So we're gonna break it down. Okay, I'm gonna send. It's hard to hear you with the rain. All right, just a minute. Hard to hear with the rain. Okay, get up here. Is that on the wrong side of that line? Oh, does that make me mad? Just a minute, I gotta come down. Or just put it on a different rope. I'm gonna put something on this rope. No, gosh, ugh, no, the whole rope's on the wrong side of the tree. Come on, think, Kev. We're just gonna get this on the other side. Is it going? Oh. Is there somebody available to stuff a rope? Okay, on the other side of the tree from you guys, a rope's coming down. Could you flip me those two lines? Now find the prusik and pull it up to me. Fourth line is gonna come down. I gotta go right down there. Let's see here. Oh, I broke my momentum. Yeah, it's all sticky and wet. Yeah, sorry. Unbelievable. Man, it's just way too wet. Nothing's working right. Nothing's working right. Yeah, it's just sticky. Okay, the friction saver's coming down bare. Beware. We got No belay. No belay on the rings.
I seem to remember being up there when it was storming.
But I was with you.
You left.
I was-
You left me up there.
Oh, last
I had
night.
to set up the rigging. No, not last night. Last night you left me up there too. You left me in the dark up there last night with all the bugs. But before that, I set up the rigging when it was in the middle of a storm and you left. And I was scared.
You were alone that night too?
Yeah, I was alone that night too.
Well,
up
I'm
there.
trying to broaden you. Looks like everybody's got something.
Kevin, you gotta take yours.
I get to carry my saddle.
Yeah,
Oh, the chair,
chair.
the sorry
You get
little
to-
chair.
Yeah, you get to
I
carry
think
your chair.
I might have been part of the cycles to failure to this thing. I'm just guessing. Una mas. All done.
Summer heat and thunder cold and throwing a storm of three. Stakes are high, there's always a risk when you're playing the game of trees.